To order a new card on the FNB app, start by opening the app and logging in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu by tapping on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Card Services option. Then choose the card you want to order, whether it is a credit card, debit card, or check card. If your card is lost or stolen, select the Replace Card option and follow the prompts to report the card as lost or stolen. If you need to order an additional card, select the Order New Card option and choose the type of card you want to order. You will then be asked to confirm your details, including your name, surname, and ID number. Check that all the information is correct before proceeding to the next step. You will then be asked to select the delivery method for your new card, either to your registered address or to a branch for collection. Choose your preferred delivery method and then review the order details to ensure everything is correct. If you are happy with the order, select Confirm to complete the order. You will receive a confirmation message once the order has been successfully placed. Your new card will be delivered to you within a few working days, depending on the delivery method you chose. It is essential to note that you can only order a new card if you are the primary account holder. If you are not the primary account holder, you will need to contact the primary account holder to order a new card on your behalf. Additionally, ensure that your contact details, including your cell number and email address, are up to date, so you can receive notifications and updates about your card order.